everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Today, y'all know it's the grocery hauling day, and today I don't have a big haul up here because a lot of the stuff I already put in the freezer. And on the shelf, I had bought cheese, heavy whipping cream, big old roast that I didn't have up here. It's all chopped up, prepped, and put in the freezer. Last night, after I cooked that spaghetti, I used that gadget I shared in one of my videos where when you freeze it, it'll stay in this block so liquid don't spread all over the place. I put my spaghetti sauce in that and I froze it, and it turned into a nice block. No more getting stuck on my refrigerator door, because when it spreads and it freezes and it starts getting tangled up into the bar, oh no, never that, not that anymore. So I use that product now. And if y'all forgot, hold on, let me show you. There it is right there. That's the large one. The bag is inside the spaghetti sauce. It's a nice block. See the narrowness of it? No more spreading in the refrigerator. See, it's narrow. Yes. So no more spreading in the refrigerator on my door, going all up under the dang bar and getting caught, and I can't get it off the refrigerator door. None of that anymore. I use this product. I got this from Sam's Club. Yep, and I love it. Hold up, put this back in the freezer. So y'all say, well, all that stuff on your stove. Well, I was making a video over there for my crafting channel, and I made that dish towel. That's my dish towel I made, and I put them hearts on there. It's cute. You want to see the whole thing, go to my crafting channel. But here, I'm talking about this. What we doing over here on my grocery channel. Yeah, so I use that thing to put my spaghetti sauce on there, because when my son come, I also froze some meatballs. He like my meatball sub sandwiches, so he'll be straight when he come to visit me and stuff. I'm also gonna make him a pizza. I'm ready. I love my kids and doing stuff for my kids. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, can't imagine. I can't imagine. My thoughts are in my head, so that's why I'm talking to my thoughts. But yeah, I got this Louisiana fish fry stock up on that, because my husband, he like to fry fish, and I like to eat the fish. But yeah, so with the way things out here going on, tell about the food prices gonna be increasing. Amazon, I read an article. Now, you know everything I say is alleged, but I did read this article about Amazon. It was some talk about, because of the tariffs, they running out of some supplies, so whatever they got left, I guess they gonna increase the price on it. So it might have something to do with y'all, it might not. Some folks, no telling what folks buy on Amazon. Amazon is usually the place to go when you want to get certain stuff. And now all the rest of the folks jumped on the bandwagon and got third-party sellers all on their website too. I noticed, especially over there at Target, some of the things at Target, some of them third-party sellers, they don't use the PayPal, you know, the way you can do credit and stuff. If it's not Target or Wise affiliated, you can't use the credit part. If y'all know, say so in the comments. That was irritating for me over at Target, where you can't get everything you want. Some things you just can't use. If it's affiliated with Target, then you can use your little credit. They got all the little types of credit thing you can do. Buy now, pay later type of business. So if you got good credit, then they work with you. Other than that, shit. But be wise when you do that credit, because you don't want to get in debt. I'm trying to be debt free myself. Pay these bills so I can have a couple of dollars in my pocket to try and pay for this high food. Yeah, so back to the food thing. Yeah, they also, it was another article I ran across too, talking about I think I mentioned this before. Allegedly, they are closing all the local Social Security offices, my friends. Closing all the local Social Security offices where you would get your Social Security card, go and apply for Social Security, go do your Social Security business. Now they want you to, I guess, do it online, because now it's going to be all over the universe, because they fired all those employees. A lot of employees were laid off, fired, and now they say they don't have a lot of people to help do the business. So now they saying they just gonna send your case all over the dang universe. No more going into your local field office and handling that business. Because I do think I mentioned that, and I was saying, if y'all got any business, you better get on over there and take care of it. Now, the DMV, I don't think they can do all that with the DMV, because ain't nobody going out of state to go do no driving tests. Well, okay, that's ridiculous. But who knows what these folks will do. Then I hear tell they just sent allegedly 1,000 or so troops to Iran. I hope those babies be safe. What y'all think about that? And I heard, my daughter was telling me she seen some Army helicopters riding side by side over the house. And I was like, what? What's going on? But the gas, shoot, I told y'all about how the gas prices going up. It's so much stuff going on. If y'all don't keep up with the news, well, I know some folks, they don't want to be bothered with all that. And I just report a little bit, and y'all can go do your big research, investigate, check it out on your own. I just, like I said, this stuff slide through my doggone, like when I'm watching stuff on my TV, on social media, a video, like I don't know how these videos get up on my channel. So much stuff that I'm not even familiar with, and I got a certain group of people I watch, they've been knocked out the way, and all these new folks coming across my doggone screen. I'm like, what the heck? Where my people at? Now I got to type in the name of some of y'all to get back to y'all channel, because they putting all these other folks. I wonder if they throwing our channel names across the screen and thing. I wonder if y'all, I don't know. But anyway, that's what's going on. That's how I seen these articles, and also on the web. When I'm on my desktop computer, articles come by, and they changing all kind of stuff. And if you don't check out the news every once in a while, you're gonna get surprised and or disappointed or upset. One of the 3, 4, 5, 6 things you're gonna be dealing with. You're gonna have an episode. Miss Janine, what an episode. We all have them. Folks got an episode. It be physical, emotional, mental, psychological. Everybody got their episodes. And some of us got strongholds, stuff that just come up on you all of a sudden, and you know you don't want that, and you don't want to feel that, you don't want to do that. That's your episode. Deal with it. And now you know, we all got them. We all got episodes that come on us. Those spirits. Like I say, when you go to church, you ain't telling what you gonna leave, whose spirit been cast up on you or in you when you leave that church. Shoot, you think please, it's true, it's true. This is a spiritual place we in, y'all. Believe it or not, believe it or not. But yeah, I just come through to share with y'all, stocking up on certain things. Like I'm showing my fish fry, all this stuff then increased. So I noticed the increase in prices. That's why I try to get some things in a bulk size, a big size. Like that time I purchased up there, I got it in a bulky size so it'll last me longer, so I ain't got to keep spending money on certain seasonings. And I'm also growing herbs on my garden, so the dish I made, I used that fresh rosemary. Oh my God, that fresh herbs are so good in your food. If y'all never had it, tried it, you need to try some fresh herbs in your meals. It will give you a whole new life. Give you a whole new life. But yeah, or if you got room, grow something. Cause now they talking about replacing. I've been seeing a lot of videos about they making fake meat. All kind of, you heard about the bioengineered stuff. Now when they put bio, that's some DNA stuff. But this other stuff, I don't know what they making this plastic meat from. I don't have to eat meat. But shoot, ain't no telling if they dump what they call it, clone fish in the water. You think you fishing for fresh fish, you fishing for clones. I seen an article on social media saying a bunch of celebrities y'all think wonder what happened to them. Those are clones and not real folks. Y'all believe it? Ain't no telling what's going on in this world. There's no telling what's real and what's not real. That AI stuff is there, and I don't think it's going nowhere. They had some guy on the news that was trying to teach folks how to tell the difference from AI and real. Talking about the AI videos only last a few seconds. A real one will last longer. I don't know. I know I'm real. Y'all know I'm real. Y'all know I've been here. And I know who real on here too. The folks that been on here that I seen, been on here long as I've been on here knowing them. So, I don't know, y'all. Y'all just gotta sometime look at the news, do your research, check it out, investigate, because there's stuff going on. It is stuff going on. And if you know what, Chris? Hey, Chris. Y'all see Chris in my comment section, but Chris, did you know the grocery outlet, that was the last day, was yesterday? I did not know they had chicken wings on sale for $1.99 a pound. And Chris, I don't know if you like chicken wings or if you buy them, but I didn't know, and I missed out on that sale. I would have had a ton of them bad boys. I got a grocery outlet not far from here. If I had known, I would have went over there and got me some. Doggone it, and I was out the other day. Well, anyway, it might come back around, but shoot, I hate I missed those chicken wings. I was real cheap, $1.99. But now, today is Wednesday, y'all, and y'all know new sales start on Wednesday, so I hope y'all catch the deals and steals, clearances, get in your store, whatever you gonna do, and get these deals and get stuff before the price go up. There's certain things y'all like, fix them pantries up, fill them sugar, flour, baking soda, powder, all that oil stuff, fill them things up before you get price shock. Okay, well, that's it for today. I'm out. If y'all, like I said, like my little crafting things going on over there, going over to my craft channel. Don't forget I got a garden channel that I got to style and refresh and all that stuff. And ain't no telling when I have to go. Well, I'll do my best to share all those things. For now, bye, y'all. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share if you want, hit the notification bell, hype this video, and y'all have a good day, and be blessed and safe, and happy shopping. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.